Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today we're going to cook perfect prime rib. There's a lot of pressure when it comes to cooking a prime rib. Not only is it an expensive cut of meat, but you're probably also cooking it for a company and you don't want to mess it up. Well, here's the good news. I'm going to share with you pretty much foolproof method cooking perfect prime rib every time using a reverse searing technique. It's basically cooking a roast low and slow until the internal temperature reaches the desired doneness. I like it 125 degrees for medium rare finish, and then we'll rest it and pop it in an oven at high temperature to sear that beautiful, gorgeous crust. And at the end, you will enjoy juicy, evenly cooked medium rare or rare roast, crust to crust with a gorgeous, addicting crust. I've had this recipe on my website for several years already, and every holiday season I get rave reviews from readers, and I can't wait for you to give it a try too. By the way, I have two versions of prime rib roast on my website. One is bone-in prime rib with dry rub, and the other one is boneless prime rib with a herb butter mixture. This cooking method works for any kind of prime rib and with any kind of flavoring. I can't wait for you to give it a try. Let's get cooking. Unwrap the prime rib and place it on a baking sheet. Generously salt all over and refrigerate overnight to air dry the outside of the prime rib. This creates nice crisp crust. Bring the roast to room temperature before roasting. It usually takes about 2 hours on the counter. Now let's make the compound batter. In a medium bowl, mix together butter, thyme, rosemary, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, grated fresh garlic. Mix everything until well combined. Smear the butter over the top and sides of the roast. Transfer the roast onto a roasting pan, buttered side up. Roast the meat in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit until the center of the roast reaches 120-125 degrees Fahrenheit on the meat thermometer for medium rare finish. It took about 5.5 hours for this 15-pound roast to reach 122 degrees. Remove the prime rib from the oven, cover with foil, and rest for at least 30 minutes or up to a couple of hours. Meanwhile, increase the oven temperature to 500 degrees. Once the oven reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit, put the prime rib into the oven, uncovered, and cook it until nice and brown, crisp on the outside, about 10 minutes. Rest the roast for at least 15 minutes or preferably 30 minutes before slicing.